how to make a game pass in Roblox Mobile. So if you want to make a game pass in Roblox Mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser and then search for roblox.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged into your Roblox, now you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then go with the desktop site. Once you're on your desktop site, you need to just simply go with the create section. Once you go with create here, you will have your place. You need to just simply tap on your experience and then tap on place, and then go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top left. And from here, you'll get all of these options. You need to just simply go with the monetization section. Under monetization, you will have passes. You need to tap on passes. And then under your passes, you will have this kind of interface. Now, if you want if you want to make a game pass, then you need to tap on create a pass. And then you need to enter the name and then the description and go with create pass. And your pass will be created. Once you've created your pass, you need to just simply go back to your passes, and then you will have your created pass right here on the top. You need to tap on the pass that you've created, or tap on the pass, and it will take you to the pass settings. Now, once you're on your pass settings, you need to go with the top left, which has the 3 horizontal lines again, and then you need to tap on sales. Under sales, you need to turn on the option for item for sale and then enter the default price, and you'll be able to turn on the option for enable regional pricing. You can go and turn it on and then go with save changes, and that's it. Your game pass has been made. That's how you can make a game pass in Roblox Mobile, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.